Wait, okay, go ahead.
Yeah, can you enable the screen share thing, dude?
How do I do it on my phone? It's wait,
Screen share
security.
settings.
Oh wait, screen share. Okay, share screen. All right, go ahead. Now does it work?
Yes. So Alex, this was the idea that I had yesterday. So
Oh, cool.
you enter, and so basically you have imagination redefined and some text, and then let's talk with directly takes to the contact us page. And this is like a pendulum. So I have a lot of extra space over here, right? So what if there's a pendulum that's like kind of, like moving like this?
A pendulum swing, right?
Yeah.
I like that. I do. I really like this, but I feel like the font meshes in too much with the colors. Does that make any sense? I feel like it's unless it does it change colors as it moves or something.
Oh, we can do that.
No, but is that what happens? Because I just feel like it's just very like it's just I love the colors and I love the concept, but imagination and redefined is just it's the same color as the background. Maybe like I don't understand. Is this supposed to be a pendulum? So if it's supposed to be moving them, is this just like the mock-up right now?
Yeah, this is just a mock-up, dude.
Well, I mean, obviously that's mock-up, but like, is there gonna be a video? Is there any way to show us like how it would look with the video?
No, dude, we do not have the 3D model of this pendulum yet.
No, that's a good concept though. That's a good concept. Where's the whole Samsung thingy?
So today while talking, me and Sean, so what we thought was we'll just, plug this thing up here after the first page, but then this content has to go because the content is like a landing page content. So this has to completely go. So the content has to be replaced with 3D related content.
Wait. Actually, we thought of making two sites, like one for the VFX and one for the website in separate, because I wanted to show the website like a highlight kind of a thing, because you also told me like 3D is the future and making websites in 3D is a real good thing. So I wanted to be it separate. So
okay, a separate page on the menu.
Yeah.
What?
Right?
Yeah.
A separate page on a menu. It's not gonna have its own subdomain.
Yes.
Correct. Yeah.
It's gonna be like remember how earlier you said we don't understand why we need a menu?
Yeah, I get that.
That's what this would be for. So like when you have a menu, it would be for graphics, 3D, and then that's what. Now, you guys gonna really tell me that I like the pendulum swing thing and everything, T, but do you really think that like the model that we've been working on for like months and the like how advanced the Samsung site looks like, you really don't think that should be on the front page?
Makes sense.
I mean, I'm just trying to
I mean, we can always try and we can always chuck this first page and we can start from here, dude.
No, I'm just curious. Why don't you like it? Because I mean, this was supposed to be good enough to go on our homepage. And what do you mean we have to get rid? What were you concerned about? We had to get rid of what again? You said the text, or what do you mean?
We have to get rid of this complete content. Whatever.
We don't have to get we don't have to get rid of it. We just replace the text with stuff that has to do with graphics.
Exactly.
Yeah. But I mean, just give me your honest, like, what's with why are you being biased towards like why does it look like 3 sections too like that? Like it just looks like pictures of it. It doesn't look like it's gonna be the model, like where it does like the transitioning, you know what I mean?
Yeah, because we cannot put in a transition over here. Like Figma doesn't support it.
It allows you to do that now. I heard you can do video.
No,
I swear to God, you can. I look it up. I mean it. You can.
These are the only tools and the.
No, but actually, he taking so much of a stress. We can just develop that. We can just put that time in the front end. That's what
I mean. I just want to know. Well, let's fix this first because we need to change the thought process. So, like, T, what are your thoughts? Let me know, like, why, what was supposed to be on the front page? Besides, can you show me the front page?
Yeah, this one.
No. You said this was the second. You said this was going to be on the second page. I thought.
No. This is going to be the landing page.
Okay, so our computer model with the Samsung stuff is going to be the landing page.
Yep.
Perfect. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, and then so then the menu item will be what? So then okay, so then you have to look at it this way. If you want to do it separate, if you want graphics and 3D separate, then
later we decided to keep it in one single page.
because there's no content for VFX a
Yeah,
lot.
we do not have a lot more content for the VFX, so we just decided to keep it in one single page.
But you guys just said you wanted two separate things. I'm confused.
We wanted,
We
but
want-
later we decided to keep it in one page.
When's later you decided? You guys just told me this right now.
I
Yeah,
mean,
yeah.
Sean,
I just told you, right? We just had a thought of making it 2 pages, and now I just told you now. I didn't tell you long back, right?
No, you guys just literally you literally just told me like 2 minutes
so
ago that you want
yeah,
to
like
keep it separate.
so that was like we were telling you the time frames. Like basically yesterday we were thinking of having two different pages, but today, like I told you that previously we had a call. So that time we
Okay, so
thought,
then okay, but then why was okay? I'm just confused because you guys Roche was just explaining to me right now how 3D is the future and how he wants to keep it separated.
But then we don't have much of a content for the VFX. Right?
VFX.
I still want it to be like in the two sides, but then the VFX page is gonna be looking like very blank.
You need to think.
See-
Okay,
see-
Roche, I know you're learning web design. I know you're still learning, but it's pages, not sites. It's like it's different pages. So like for instance, like 3d.matempty is not going to also be graphics.matempty, 3d.matempty. That's because when you do a subdomain like what we're doing with 3d.matempty, it makes it almost like a whole new website. So are you saying that you want a whole website for graphics and a whole website for 3D, or do you want it to be like effects.matempty and then you have a graphics section and then a 3D section?
Yes, something like the one which you told the second.
Okay. So have we decided on the subdomain name yet, by the way?
No.
Nope.
I thought we agreed that 3d.matempty wasn't going to work because it's too specific or something, and it wouldn't work in search.
Yeah,
what is it gonna-
let me give you an thing which we spoke today. Our possible clients are like one people like who are trying to put their product on the website. See, if you're having earbuds or something like that, like a startup, people like that, they want a 3D website for a product to be advertised. And the another set of people which I feel like a potential clients are like people like Jeremy who build buildings, right? They can actually show a real 3D building on the homepage.
You were just saying not even a week ago that 3D wouldn't be good to have as
No,
it
because I have no idea because I'm not into this SEO optimization thing, right? So I think I think it will be better that you decide a name for that.
Well, no, it's not really the name. Okay, so you're doing graphics too, right? So then why would we call it just 3D?
Yeah, that makes sense. So
And as far as SEO, you don't have to worry about the SEO. Our keywords are plugged in once we are building the site. You don't have to worry about the domain name. That has nothing to do with SEO.
okay.
They actually did research and figured out that the domain name has nothing to do with SEO, believe it or not.
Okay.
So all right, okay, so
It's
go
better
ahead.
with graphics, right?
I mean, I think that effects might be better because effects will describe 3D effects. Or no, I don't know. Like, I just think that 3D is like very specific, to 3D. But if you're going to be doing graphics, which is a whole different, I mean, that's completely different. It's like, I think that we should make it something that's going to be representing both things.
Okay, it's like fx.matempty.com, right?
fx.matempty, but then is 3D FX stuff though? Okay, I thought what is 3D in that category?
Yeah, in that I think we'll have 3D and then we have to come some new names for this VFX. Are we just gonna put that VFX?
No, we don't have to come up with new names for effects. What do you mean? No, we don't. What do you mean? No. Because I don't think you're okay. Explain like why you think that real quick.
No, I don't want us to put VFX because we are not at that level. So we need to come up with the different names for the like the videos which I'm making.
No,
Does
okay, but why though? That's what you're doing. But that's what you're doing though. Why would we come up with
No.
different names?
No, because we are not at that level, Alex. Because it requires a lot of people, and this is just like a basic thing that we are doing.
Okay,
This
but
would-
first off, okay, but you have to understand this isn't the domain name, so it doesn't really. I mean, you can change. This would be a menu item, so it doesn't really matter the name of it. And what are you going to call it then? Tutorial? What are you going to call it? Beginner FX graphic? What do you call this? What you're doing then? If it's not what it's called?
It's basically called a VFX, but in a very easy way to do. It's not like very advanced.
So then we shouldn't even have this on our website then. Why do we even have this on our website if we're not even gonna be doing it?
Because it's gonna look very advanced to the
Okay, it's
people
gonna
who are,
look advanced
because
until our clients want services and we can't provide them.
no, like we can't be making this for future films, like AAA games. No, we can't be making for them. But other than that, we can specify we can find clients than that.
Okay, so I'm confused. So if we're gonna have this on our, it's called false advertising, by the way. So if we have this on our website and a client sees this, are you gonna assume that they would probably think that means we can do graphics?
We can do something like that specifically.
And you have to
but we
understand,
can't do
Roche,
anything.
if we get a client that wants graphics, we can always bring more people in because we'll have the budget to do that. You know what I mean?
Okay.
That's how you have to look at it, you know? So, I mean, if we really do have a client that's why you have to hype it up, because if you're worried about people, don't worry about that part. Okay. Never worry about that. Never worry about the fact that we might not have enough people. Okay. Because when you have a budget, you can, you know how Eli was talking yesterday, how we could hire him as a freelancer, blah, blah, blah. You can always do that. You know what I mean? We can always find somebody to help us fill in temporarily, I guess. You know what I mean?
Okay.
So don't worry about that. That's not the problem. So if I were to tell you that we did have the help to help you, if someone wanted these kind of graphics, would it be different?
Sorry, I didn't get you. Like,
Is it
can
different now? Like, is it you still not want to put it on
I
the site or?
No,
like,
wait,
okay.
Alex. Let me just
Go
tell
ahead.
you what. Wait, let me share my screen and give you some examples.
T, what inspired you to do those colors and stuff like that?
I don't know, dude. For some
I
reason,
like it.
for some reason, I was just playing around with blue, and then what is that called? Cyan? Yeah, that color came up, and I kind of like the combination of those two.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Is my screen visible?
Yep.
So yeah, if you just search for something like VFX company, this is what we get, Alex, in the front page of Google. So this is what I think would be a very good portfolio.
Okay, but these are like the best of the best. These are like movies,
Yeah,
right? Like
yeah, the
people who
best
do
of the
movies.
best.
Well,
Yeah.
what if we wanted like people who do marketing? We don't need to think like movie wise. Why don't we just think like maybe people who want commercials done or like
Yeah, that
stuff
would
for
be
like
that would be a perfect place for our website. Trust me.
Okay, cool. I like this website. This is cool too. Let me see. I see how this is clean and I like the white. I don't know why I like white. I don't know why I like white, guys. I mean, I like the color and everything, T, but it's just like I feel like everyone wants. I feel like white is just like it's just like clean. You know what I mean? I feel
No,
like the colors is
I seriously hate white.
Well, go up more a little bit. It's just like
Because
that's pretty.
my eyes just hurts, dude. Because I'm sitting in a dark place, my eyes just hurts when I see white.
Oh,
pictures.
okay. You need to wear those special glasses.
Oh yeah, I have that. I regret to wear that.
T, if you're bored, maybe come up with like a second idea if that's cool, and just and we can compare it. Because I like this idea a lot too and everything. But maybe just like, can we do like a cleaner? Maybe just like a white, kind of like the salt and pepper or something like that.
But then would that look good for a website that's something that represents something like VFX or 3D? Because shouldn't it look more complex and kind of filled?
Yeah, dude. I think VFX will be like what a scam exactly, because we're not gonna
Okay,
do VFX.
you need to let
exactly.
but you need to let Russia's work do that. T. You need to let the 3D models do that work and show the complexity, and you don't need to take away from that. It actually as it is. You need to give it like a background to be easy on the eyes. Like when I'm looking at like all those colors and shit, and I'm trying to look at the 3D model too, it's hard and everything blends in.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Like I don't know why the background. I don't think people are going to really judge the background color of our website. We're not complex because the background of our website's not a different color than white or something. When we have 3D models and we have these advanced videos, like, okay, for instance, what color did Samsung use when they did theirs? We should probably do something like that, I'm going to guess. Because I mean, it just makes sense to have a solid back. You don't want to take away from the models and stuff. Can you go to that website, please? Let me see.
share your
I mean,
screen.
I like it. I like it and everything, I really do, but I just feel like it's gonna take away from I just feel like it needs to be something just plain because it's gonna take away from the models and shit like that. Because
Are
too
we
much.
are we talking about just this one or the whole thing?
The Samsung, the thing that switches the thingy.
Yeah, dude. But then the background for this, right? Like this thing.
Just for the first thing or even all the
Is it
PC
just the
laptop?
first section or the entire thing?
Is it the first section? Is it? Do you say it's gonna move with it though?
It's like a pendulum that's like kind of gonna move like this.
Okay,
like
then what
this.
colors are at the bottom? So that's just at the top.
Yep.
It's just everything's just blended into me. I don't know. I'm gonna get feedback on this. I don't know. We need to get feedback though and see what people say because like I think it would look better if it was just all white, maybe, or something. I don't know. Because like you have to understand, if you try too hard to be complicated, sometimes it overcomplicates things and it makes things worse. You know, if you try to be too different, too unique, too much. Like that's just my opinion though. Like, I don't know. That's my opinion. I can be completely wrong. I mean, this is just me looking at it. I think that it's just too, I don't know why the colors match the background of the text match. How are you supposed to separate the colors if it matches the background? I don't know. I don't know.
Dude, the main reason I made the I actually wanted the text to match the background. That's the reason I
Okay,
put
well
the
then
thing.
you have to explain this stuff. Okay, cool. Why?
Because for example, the design class that you have on Drive. So what he does is he has a picture and he takes color from that picture to use it on the text. So make the text match the background. That's what he does.
That makes sense. I wish you'd explain stuff like that. You know what I mean? Like I'm not a designer. Like I don't know this shit. Like I'm just like a third party looking at it, going like, okay, let me see. Like, and I even tell you, like, I don't know if I'm right or wrong, but it's just how I look at it. But see, when you explain stuff to you, it makes things a lot better and easier and understandable. So that's the
But then
who is this?
who
What?
did? I didn't get you.
What's his name?
His name. I don't know. It's been a long time.
This is like his.
Dude, I think the text colors is kind of good, but the background it kind of messes the place because you have a dark spot and there's light from nowhere on the wall, which is blue background.
There's really no way to
I
tell
think
until
it's
the video. Until there's a video. There's really no way to tell until the Lodi is showing. Really, you know what I mean? Right? Are you gonna have a Lodi there?
This is actually a 3D model, dude. So it's just a 3D animation.
Oh,
Not a
cool.
Lottie.
Okay.
Yeah.
yeah. If it's a 3D render, it's gonna be Lottie.
Yeah, technically.
So
yes.
did we think about optimization, guys? So we're gonna obviously have to have a load screen on desktop, right? Have we thought about what it's gonna when it loads? I think the ME doing like an ME would be cool or something. What do you guys think?
But for this optimization, I don't think we can optimize it because we are gonna show the models and the video.
Okay, I'm seeing a load
It's
screen.
not
We're gonna have a load screen, right?
But then even I
loading
think
screen, yeah.
we need a loading screen. That's for sure.
Even there's even our homepage right now with our coming soon has a load screen, but it's tacky as fuck. It says loading in white and in black and it's ugly.
Coming soon, yeah. I watched
Have
that.
you noticed that though? That it says that it has a load screen?
Yeah,
loading thing?
for sure we're not gonna make one like that.
No, we need to make. I was thinking for a load screen. What do you guys think about?
Yeah, I was thinking something
logo?
like, so you have your logo and then it kind of like starts from here, like starts like particles and then just forms an image
Yes.
from here.
Absolutely.
But actually that needs a separate loading screen, right?
Oh my god. So even that's
Okay.
heavy.
I think so I don't know if you have a Lottie file, even that needs a loading time, is it?
No, I don't
Okay,
think
why does
so.
everyone
Lotties
else?
are very
Okay, but why
small.
does everyone else have a loading screen then? Why does everyone else have a loading thing then?
No, dude, like we
No,
can
that-
have a loading screen. We have to have one.
Yeah, we
So
have
wait,
to.
wait.
Yeah.
If I make a render and make it convert it into Lottie, will that be light or even that be heavy?
This
We're
can
gonna
just
need a
be a
load screen.
normal 2D animation, right? It's gonna be pretty small in terms of
But
KBs.
it's not gonna be like this one vectors. It's gonna be like a video if I give you a Lottie.
You know, it's
Okay,
better
but
explained if you do
why
it.
are we doing this? Are we doing this to avoid? Are we doing this to avoid having a load screen?
Yes, he's
Why?
giving an idea for a loading screen.
I know, but why are you trying to avoid us having a loading screen?
This itself is a loading screen, Alex.
No, I'm saying, are you trying? Never mind. I don't think I'm making any sense. I'm saying, is that okay? Like, are you okay? We're gonna have a loading screen. You seem not to like the fact that we're gonna have a loading screen. Do you not like that we have a loading screen?
We have a load. I didn't get
Like, are
you.
you like you're telling me that you want to make the
Rosh.
files floaty, right?
Only for the loading screen, yeah.
Oh, for the loading screens, exactly. Okay,
And
that's
for
what-
the first section, that's gonna be
Okay.
Lottie because
Yeah, this one.
yeah, T.
it's
I
a
don't see
thing.
why it needs to be 3D. I mean, I think that it's like.
I mean, it's gonna be a
No, and
3D render.
But why do we need that 3D? Why do we need to see all sides of that?
Uh, because if you just make a animation out of 2D, it's not gonna
They said that
like
2D you can do just as much. Like, I mean, you know what I mean? Like, it's like, are people are
that's
compete? So
the
are you?
dude, that's
Okay,
the exact same question.
wait. No, wait. Isn't 3D the whole point of 3D having the zoom out thing or whatever? So is that going to have this? Then you say the whole point of 3D is having that zoom out feature
Not the zoom out feature, the hover feature, like looking
or
at all
whatever?
of the
Yeah, the
pages.
hover. Is that what's going
Yeah,
to happen
so
here? How are we going to? How
no,
are we
no,
going to
no,
do that?
that's
with
not
our
gonna
file?
happen. That's not gonna happen. So that was the
We don't
exact
need it.
question. Exactly, we don't need it. Uh, like
We
you
need
just
floaty
asked us.
then,
Yes.
wait,
right?
Tarun, I'm sending a message on Discord. Mad empty, Amy only. Just I open that link
Send
in
it on
Discord.
chat. No.
I'll
Okay,
just
yeah.
I'll never forget Roche when you told me, you said there's no point of having 3D.
Yeah, I've sent it.
You said there's no point of having 3D unless it does like the hover, like the zoom thing. Remember you were like, there's no point of even doing 3D. Remember?
Me? What?
Yes.
I didn't
Remember?
get it. Wait, what?
T, can you explain
No.
that? Can you tell-
Wait. The lot is gonna be just
Yeah.
on the first page. The second, the system morphing and all, that's gonna be a 3D model.
Okay, please just listen to me. Okay, please. Okay, the pendulum swing that he has, you know, the thing at the top.
Yeah.
He said he wants to make that 3D,
Yes.
but he told me, right? T, can you explain to him?
So basically, if you make the same thing using 2D, you won't get the same effect as getting from a 3D render.
Okay, how
So-
about this page? Right? It's not 3D
But
and
you
not
s-
like 2D.
But you
How
said
does
it's not
this-
going to be. You don't need the zoom out feature. I thought though, T of the pendulum swing. I thought
Dude,
it wasn't going to do
no.
that.
See, the thing is, it's not gonna be an actual model. It's just gonna be a 3D animation that's just rendered out. So it's just a video.
Oh, video. Okay, cool. That's what I
Yes.
meant. Okay. All right, that explains that. Okay, go on, Roche.
Sure.
Okay, I thought making front page like this. Dude, just select the middle thing, the pink one.
This
Yeah,
one.
He is so
Yeah.
ugly. I hate him. I love that gray color though. See that gray color? I love that gray color.
gray.
Of
Where is that?
the
the
gray in
what?
the background of the website.
Okay, the
Go out.
gradient.
No, go out.
This one.
Zoom out. How it was before that? This gray. See that gray background? I really like that a lot compared to like just having pitch black, or you know what I mean? Because if you have too much pitch black, it hurts the eyes. You know, the contrast will hurt your eyes. I heard. You know,
Does
so
it
even
make Does it make
Discord.
sense like a front page like this for the 3D section?
I thought we had our 3D models.
That follows. This is the first time. I'm just giving an idea. That's it.
Okay, first off, this is perfect after the model. So the thing that we've been working on for 3 months or whatever is going to be first, no matter what. This like little like puny. Why would you possibly think that this thing could be better than the 3D models doing like the awesome transformations and stuff? Does that not like wow? It might not wow you guys, but it's gonna wow people. You know what I mean? Like, do you guys not like the idea like of that? Like, why didn't you guys speak up then if you guys hate the idea? Like, you know, because that was supposed to be our whole
No.
thing.
We like the idea, dude, and it's not like we're not showing it, right? It's just the first page that we are want to like show some text, big text on it. That's why we made the hero section.
Okay, so well, I don't know, dude.
And also like this section won't be like snap scrolling, and this side will be like what we do. It's like a text, bold text, and then when you scroll down, the piece is gonna appear right after this.
Do me a favor. Okay, this is. Do me a favor. Can someone go to the Salt and Pepper website? Do you remember when you first go on that website, how it makes you pop up to that one page? Like, I'll show you right now. Watch. Go to Salt and Pepper. Now watch. As you click on it, carefully. Don't go up and down yet. See how it gives you the big text and stuff? But watch. Where's the animation? Go up.
Wait, it's loading. It's taking time. So this is why we need a loading screen.
Yeah. Scroll up real quick though. Does it let you scroll up?
this is up.
Okay, see, like exactly. Like I love how this is. I love this. I love this. Anyways, I like this a lot actually. It kind of reminds me of our Mad Empty homepage. But if you scroll the way up though, but see how they kind of did that? Like when you first get on it, it has like the big words and stuff like that. Maybe, you know, maybe we can do something like that with our model. I don't know.
So you wait, are you talking about the text or the background?
I'm just saying, see how big this is? How did they make the room work though? See how they were able to do this? I can't see the model being any bigger than that little bubbly thingy.
Okay.
Like
Because,
how are they able to do it? Like look how much room that they have and stuff. Like look how much room they have on there. You know?
Dude, can you see the white space between the dots? So that's what making you, that's what is like kind of giving that notion that there's a lot of white space.
I agree.
Because
To the
in
right though.
mo-
Look to the right though. Look to the right. See the right? See all that space to the right? See,
Yeah.
let me see the mouse. Move the mouse. See all that space over there? How can you tell me that we can't fit our computer model and make big words, big bold words? How do we not have enough room to work with that?
We do have enough room, right?
Just open the Figma thing.
Yeah.
I feel like we're not making enough space. Like we're not using our space wisely. You know what I mean? Look how small yours looks like compared to how much space is on a desktop. Does it make any sense? Like something's going on.
Dude, so okay, wait. So if I actually zoom in,
That's a really
so
good model of roast.
this is gonna be the size, actual size. This is
How does
actually,
how does Salt and Pepper look so much bigger and wider?
wait, what? Dude, this model is much more smaller compared to this.
Look how much bigger. I know, but that's what I'm saying. Look how much room Salt and Pepper has.
No. She wants our system to be smaller, dude. Tarun. That's
You
what
want
she
to make this smaller.
No, but look, I'm just saying we're always worried about room, right? Look, we have no room for anything. But like look at all the space that Salt and Pepper has compared to ours. Ours is one model. How can they have that big thing and text and still have all that space? Look at that. Look at all that space, dude. That's a lot of space.
I think wait, Tarun, just go to the model, make a copy and delete the grids.
Okay, wait.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Delete the grids and make everything a bit smaller. Everything.
Okay.
Because we want to put big text in there, right? That's what you said, Roche. You wanted like big font, big bold font. Well, this is where we can do it. We need to make the model a little bit smaller. And then put,
Yeah.
do you like the big bold font idea?
Yeah, make the font a big scale it up. All the fonts. We did all the fonts together.
Yeah, we have to do it. So
Perfect. Look at that. So much better.
Make it as
Already
a,
looks better.
okay, yeah. Scale down the PC, dude. Move to the right. Make it full screen. Make it full screen.
Yes. It's so much better.
So what I say is like you don't want the background and make it like plain colors. Is that what do you mean? Or
Plain?
just enable the grid now, Tarun?
I think that there shouldn't be a background, honestly, a grid background, honestly.
Make a copy and just compare. We'll just compare.
okay.
We still have more space we can use OC. We can still have more space we can use over to look to the left. This grid doesn't let us look like we have much space, but let's see over here to the left where the plane is. I think we can use, okay, so make the text more bigger over here to the left. See the We Design Visions and Engineer Dreams? Make it bigger and bolder like what we've been seeing lately. You know what I mean? Like with,
Maybe like a three, just make it bigger and in a three sentence,
Okay.
3 lines. I think that's very huge. I think that's
yeah, it's a
very
little bit
huge.
too big. It's a little bit too big, but this is why it's too many words. Roche, didn't you say that you wanted like emphasize like the big bold text that they're doing, right?
Just for the first page.
Okay, this is the first page, Roche. Stick with me here. This is the first page.
Okay.
So But didn't you say that? Do you
No,
guys don't agree that this
I
looks
no no I
better?
wanted for the reimagine that thing. I thought that was the first page.
Okay,
And I
this
also
computer
have
model is
Mhm.
the first page. It's gonna happen. I don't care what anyone says. I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to put my foot, like, I don't, usually it's always a team decision, but like we've been really working on this computer model for months. Like, you know what I mean? Like this is the first page. This is the first thing we see. It's just how it's gonna be.
no, I
Like,
have no issues with that.
okay.
But then here I want it to be not that simple, because 3D thing is not that simple, and and even the grids, you know what, it has a ripple animation.
Okay, well then there you go. Okay, let's focus on the font then. You said that you wanted bigger, bold font, right? I agree with you. So how you guys, so my point is like, what did you want to do then if we weren't gonna make the model smaller?
I
Like
didn't
what
get you
was what was your idea then to implement the big bold font like you said? What was your idea then? Look at all that space. Like that's nuts, dude. Like look at all that space that we have. Our perception is it's off. Like you know what I mean? We have so much space to work with. We're worried that we don't have enough space to work with, but we have plenty of space to work with. Like we just need to rearrange. Our rearranging needs to be better. Okay, what I was saying was, if we let's say that we keep the models how they were. What did you want to do with the big bold text? You said you wanted to put it on the next page, or like what did you say that you wanted to do?
Okay, wait. Taran, just go to the redesign that thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wanted the text to be bold on the first page, and the rest it should be smaller. This
You're
style,
confusing me. You're confusing me when you keep saying first page because all of this is on the first page.
sorry,
So I'm
the
just
first
confused.
section. Sorry, the first section.
Yes, first section. Okay.
Just the first section. The text should be very bold and very huge, making a like a bold statement. And then when the 3D models continue, we need to show the background and the models effect more than the text. So the model itself speaks, not the text.
Okay.
I had this, but if you want the PC to be on the first section, even that's fine with me. I have no
No,
issues
I'm
with
just okay. Well, was it really going to be the action speaks stunning visuals that was going to be before our 3D model?
no, that's
No.
totally that just delete that section, dude. We're not
Then why isn't the computer
Uh,
models?
Dude, this was yesterday, not today. That's completely chucked. Nothing's there over there.
Okay, so are we going to keep? If you think that the words are really important, are we going to keep those words? Like, oh yeah, you have to come up with that, Hunty. Should we even have words really then? Like, I think it should be like, is it gonna be like small? Like, is it gonna be the same as this? Is it gonna be the same concept with like a bold statement and then underneath it smaller text, or like, or what?
So let's
Or
just say the text is gonna look the exact same, but then the text is gonna change, if that makes sense. It's
The text
basically
is
gonna
gonna.
look
I mean,
like this, but then the
what?
let me
text
see,
changes. Yes.
Text changes what?
because it's gonna be about 3D, so we
Yeah.
need to come up with something for 3D.
Yeah.
Okay, you're gonna change the wordings.
He's
Okay.
gonna change the
Yes.
text because look, why would you put we design visions and engineer dreams? Which I really like that little statement right there, by the way, a lot.
Okay, what my thoughts are, right? We don't need to like express these things in words, because the model actually speaks. We are bringing out 3D in our website, and if you make the models like very small, it don't look that good. But then there should not be much of a text. This is what my opinion is.
We design visions and engineer dreams. I really like that a lot. Why don't
Dude,
can you
that's
put
there
that?
on. It's on a landing page.
It is? Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Good. All right. Well, then so go ahead and let's do it then. So take out all the text in right now. Do it, Roche, how Roche wants it. I think it should be something at least 3D. We do
Yeah,
3D. You're like,
there
I
should be
mean,
something.
now
Yes.
I cannot. Like, I have to think about the words.
but okay, well, we know how much though. So it's not going to be this descriptive, obviously, right?
I think it is gonna be because it's basically 2 lines and 2 lines, right? It's not descriptive.
Okay, but he's saying, okay, so should be it should be 2 lines. Didn't you just say, Roche, that you didn't want 2 lines?
What I meant was like, see, now on the left side, the design, we have the model smaller when compared to the text, right? That shouldn't be the
See, you
case.
can still make the model a lot bigger on the left, that left model right there. You can still make that a lot bigger, that computer. I
Yeah.
feel like, yeah, a
Still
lot
more,
more,
still more,
more,
a lot more.
yeah, more.
And
Uh,
move
like-
it to the and move it to the right a bit. Yes.
just a sec. So
Make it full screen.
I hate that color though, guys. I mean, that's the only feedback I got is that color is so ugly, dude.
Dude,
The background?
this color was done by Tom. So it's not the color we did. Like a lot of stuff has
No,
to
actually
change in
we
the
sat
buttons and
together.
stuff.
Me, Tarun and Tom, we all sat together and made the color.
No,
So
Sean,
it's
we
not
didn't.
it's not gonna be that color then, right?
Yeah, we can change it. Yeah, we can.
Sean, we didn't make it for the old school computer. You remember?
No, we made it, dude. I remember we made it. We all three
No,
sat.
Tom made the color for the Sean.
No, he just made the black thing and the purple, like what pink color for the disc. He just made that, but we all sat together. I remember, dude. I remember.
Really?
Yeah, we all sat together. I remember. This was the first section. Okay, yeah. Speaking of the design,
So this is how it's gonna be. Don't you think the mod's actually pretty big?
yeah, it's actually you told me, right? Turn on the grids.
I deleted it.
Not that grids. Like the vertical,
Okay.
the Figma thing. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little bit too big.
Mm.
It's not even something that's that big, but it's just the font needs to be different. Like it depends really what the text says, honestly, because you need to kind of like, you know what I mean? Because like if the text didn't have that much words to it, then it would be like
Yeah.
it wouldn't be that
Okay.
big.
Dude,
Agreed.
this is like a 3D website, right? Why just like a 2D text? Something like more creative?
So you want 3D text also?
No, I don't.
No.
I didn't mean
No, no,
3D, but something creative. Just not just static thing.
You're gonna overdo it, Roche. Dude. People don't like. You have to understand. Dude, the thing about web design that you need to start understanding is people like minimalist. Like you know what I mean. People don't want to be overwhelmed. Like if you start doing a bunch of shit, it's gonna overwhelm people. Like,
Yeah, and that makes it. Yeah.
T, am I right or wrong? I mean, like you know what I mean. Like
No,
it's
I
just too
agree.
much.
No, I agree.
Yeah, it's just too much. Have you been looking on the awards stuff? Have you looked at the awards? Can we do that really quick? Can we go look at, don't look at the 3D websites. Don't look at the 3D, look at the ones that are just 3D on awards. So go to awards, AWWW-ARDS. There's one I wanted to show you. And then put in 3D like afterwards, like on
Search.
Google, like, yeah, but oh yeah, go to the top of Google and then put like 3D after, no, go back.
I can put it over here, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so wait, go up. I don't think this is gonna be, this isn't, I don't like, no. Could you just go back to the Google search? I feel like this is wrong. Like, this is gonna be confusing. No, I want like the 3D. I want the 3D, like, can you, someone just go back to the Google search, please? To the, okay, just put in AWWW-ARDS and then 3D. ARDS/3D. Okay, they're 3D, perfect. Okay. Now it's going to show you category. Okay, 3D websites. Yeah, hit that. The top one. Okay, here we go. So this is 3D websites. This isn't 3D. What was the intense one that is like really interactive?
Maybe I think like I meant something that text to be the third one from the top. Yeah,
Like this.
Some
It's ugly. I
Something
don't
like
like that. It's really ugly. Can someone scroll? Keep scrolling. Let's see. I mean, it's up to you, really. Let me see. But I mean, I'm just saying, it's just really. I think it's just ugly. Like, okay. Do you see these? Do you understand? Do you ever? I like that one right there. See the third one? That one's pretty dope. Can we see that one real quick? T, can you go on that one? The computer
This-
one or Rush? No, down.
This one.
Right there. No, down. Right there. The rainbow computer.
This one,
To the
right?
right.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, yeah, click that. That's a 3. That's it. That's a laptop. Can you go to the website? Yeah, there we go. That's
Yeah,
a website. That's,
I saw that yesterday. Yes.
so let's check this out. Always let's see, just try to see, there's a loading screen. That one's pretty cool. Just always try to like look at the awards. Like see, I love this, how this is designed.
So what do I do?
Okay, like,
One
scroll
more
down.
dashboard. No, I
It's
cannot.
scroll.
do. No, it's
Okay,
not
it's
scrolling.
dashboard.
It's taking time. No, it's taking time. It happened to me yesterday.
Oh,
Oh, really? It's like, so it's really like,
Maybe they didn't implement a loading screen.
no, they just had a loading screen. That's what's weird.
Dude, I think your browser sucks.
dude. Like, how is this working? How is this working? But not this.
I don't know.
Learn more. Yeah, there you go. Learn more.
Oh, perfect. Look how cool that is, dude. I don't like how they had that learn more thing. I don't really like that, but that's cool. So can you interact with the computer?
Nope.
I think they
Click
didn't
on
make it 3D. I think it's just a Lottie file. No,
It
no,
looks
just
like
no, just scroll down. It's there. I've seen it yesterday.
Well, this
Oh.
won the award.
Yeah,
So
this
people
one,
liked it.
this one.
That's what we're gonna have though. See,
No,
that
no,
was
no.
like transition.
Scroll down.
scroll down.
Did the animation happen?
Yeah, it
No, it
happened.
happened. Just scroll up. It is not visible here.
This one, right?
Yes.
He wants to
That's
see the animation.
that is Lottie. It's not 3D actually.
Roshan actually.
No, that's Lottie.
Can someone inspect it? Can someone inspect it?
Yeah.
Rosh, you know how to do this yet?
Me, yeah, I know to do that.
To inspect? Okay.
Go to
Inspect
the
in-
network, and reload the page. Do you find Lottie files? Just place over there.
Can you find Lottie files on network? Okay, for it to load.
What is that? Oh my god.
Be in order. This should be in order.
.json.
Oh my god. What is those text, dude?
I don't know. Basically, I think the encrypted code for that, maybe.
So the Lottie file is it?
.json should be the Lottie. Probably,
Yes,
I
it's
don't know.
Lottie.
Then right click and open a new tab.
Let's see. Hopefully.
What is that?
Yeah, this is how it's gonna open in a new tab, right?
Open a new tab.
Yeah,
You're
this
supposed to save it.
Not able to see a screen.
what?
Save it. Oh god, that's so. Is that encrypted? it
It's not
encrypted?
encrypted. This is how Lottie files usually look like.
Oh man.
Oh my god, I'm not able to see a screen, dude. It's fine.
Why though?
I don't know. Fine.
Okay, so I'll stop it and share it again.
No, I can see a screen, but not the Lottie file.
What is this? Can't you see like these texts?
You can see the text is the Lottie file.
Oh my god, there's some issue.
I know it's intense.
Okay, now I can see. Yeah, now I can see.
Yes.
Yes. So just find some Lottie opener. You did
Okay.
for you
Yeah,
did
yeah.
like
Ours is better, I think, honestly. You know? I think Roche did a better job. And it's 3D, so.
yeah.
Oh.
You did it
But I mean,
yesterday.
it's just like, I don't know. It's just about how we. This is when UI and UX is so important, you know, UI and UX. So like user experience, so you can have the best models in the world, but if it doesn't have a good layout and if it's not a good flow to it, and we need to are we keeping that in mind when we design T, like the user
There we go.
experience?
Not able to
Can't you see Rosh? It's over here.
dude, I think it's lagging for me. Yeah. I guess I see it. See, I told you it was a Lottie.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude.
When you're designing, you're keeping the user experience in mind, right? Like the user interface.
I'm
you
gonna
know,
be
like-
honest over here. I seriously don't know what's the difference between user interface and user experience. I seriously
Go
don't
and
know.
Google it. Let's go through it really quick. Go and Google it.
Dude, I thought I'm gonna leave now because it's 9 and I have to go for dinner. Mom's calling from that time.
Well, okay, fine. Well, next time we need to get this together, guys, because you're a UI UX designer, T.
Yeah.
So that means you can have, like, you know what I mean? You don't know the difference. Like, look,
Yep.
guys, look, you need to understand something. If you can have the best models in the world, T, but if you don't make a user experience, like if people don't like the way it flows and how it looks and stuff, it's not going to do well. It's like a science almost. But look, dude, people go to school for years for this shit. You know what I mean? I understand you're self-taught and stuff, but like, try to keep that in mind next time. Okay, like user experience. You know what I mean? Do you want me to get you a
Yep.
class or something on do you want me to get you
No,
a
dude.
class?
Everything's on. I mean the drive ones. Everything's about user interface. There's nothing
User
on experience.
User experience too. So, or user experience too. You know what I mean? So like the experience that they have, if they want to go back, if it looks good, you know, like the feeling. That's my point. Like, are you designing to make sure like when that it navigates well and stuff for clients? And are you
Yeah.
keeping mobile in mind?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Okay, that's all I want to know. All right, guys, it's really good progress so far. I think we're on the right track. So does anyone else have anything to say?
No, dude. As of now, I guess
No.
I'm done.
Okay, thank you guys
Tomorrow-
so much. That's
Yeah.
great. Looks
Tomorrow,
good. Okay,
I'll start writing the content for the site.
all right, perfect. Sounds good. All right, guys.
Bye, guys. Take
See
care.
you.
Okay, bye.